So most of our units, they come with two USBs, and these two USBs, they're long enough to run them through here inside the glove box. We can fish them through the back of the screen inside the glove box. This is regardless of your factory USBs in the car, they're gonna still working the same way. But if you want to run them inside the armrest, then they're not long enough to reach there. Then you need the USB extensions. So these are USB extensions. So the male side can go to the female side of our USB, and it will be long enough to reach inside the armrest. That's the reason that you might need to get our USB extensions, regardless of the year, make, model of the vehicle. Thank you.